Introduce this beer to us.
The beer is Eau de Gueuze, Armand and Gaston from Three Fonteinen. We're having this with some campfire apple butter that we made and some phyllo wrapped Brie. It's wonderful.
Oh my goodness. Hang on, I'm having a moment.
This Brie with apple butter and on this butter toast is so rich and creamy, heavy. It's got a little bit of fruit and richness and sweetness.
Definitely some sweetening. You got the butter on the toast that's, backing it up.
So I have this Three Fonteinen, which is a naturally fermented beer. It's a lambic. Lambics are wonderful because they're a little unpredictable. And this is a blended lambic. The bubbles are small and crisp. It cuts through the richness, cuts through the salt, and it kind of refreshes your palate as you go in for the next bite.
There's a tartness there in the beer that's really, really crisp, clean, small bubbles, tart. I akin it to a really dry champagne almost.
Yeah, that's a great.
And if you've never had really dry champagne and the most awesome grilled cheese you've ever had in your life.
We got sweet, we have this gooey, rich cheese, and then we have this tart, tight bubble, sharp beverage with a
sharp. That's a beautiful word for describing this beer.
It's sharp, it cuts through it all. Yeah, it's a good reset on the palate for the next bite.
So what's different about the fermentation process of this beer? Is there anything technical that you can talk about? Or
Three Fonteinen, they do open vat, lambic, so whatever yeasts are available in the air, in the environment, in the brewery, in the aging room, they colonize the beer, and that's what gives it its original, unique flavor that you can't get anywhere else.
We've been talking about this pairing for a while.
Yeah, a long time.
And it is living up to everything that I thought it could be.